Once a baby pigeon was flying in the sky and his father was watching him from below. Suddenly a bullet was fired into the sky and hit the baby pigeon. The father pigeon became sad and also angry. He looked to see who fired the shot and saw that it was an army officer. The father pigeon was heartbroken. Then, to take revenge, he joined the army. He worked very hard day and night and do all missions successful and eventually became the chief of army staff. Then he banned firing bullets into the sky without any reason and trained everyone very well. Do one like and subscribe for this father.